Solar energy is forever. This is a teardown and review of a $1.50 solar lawn light. A complete technical analysis at the component level. Right off the bat, I can tell you this is a high-quality and highly engineered solar light that really works, to the level of near perfection, even though some of the design options are on the cheaper side. With a day of sun charging by this 25 by 25 millimeter panel, it lights up almost the whole night under the stars and blue moon. Here are my notes and testing setup. Everything have been carefully measured and calculated. So here it is, the measured specs and circuit diagram. I bought this for $1.50 at a dollar store. You may get it cheaper, but it's worth up to $5. The mini solar panel has a maximum power of 30 milliwatts. It's the older generation of 4.8% efficiency type. Currently, solar panels have an efficiency rating of up to 23%. 30 milliwatts means that it needs about 33 hours of good sunlight to produce 1 watt of power. The battery is a tiny 40 mAh nickel metal hydride 1.2 volt rechargeable coin cell. This battery will be fully charged at full sun for about 3 to 5 hours. Here is the actual charging rate measured, 16 mAh at 1.56 V or about 24 milliwatts. The charging rate is not constant even if the sun is constant. Charging power decreases as the battery is getting near fully charged. Here is the measured LED current consumption at 12 milliamp. Technically, this fully charged battery will light up the LED for 3 hours, but as the battery drains, its voltage decreases, the drawn current also decreases, so the brightness level of the light decreases over time, but this little gadget will actually stay up for the whole night. In comparison, a typical one-night stand probably lasts less than 5 minutes. Here is the simplified circuit diagram. Very smart. The solar panel is used as both a charging source and dark detector. Since the 1.2 volt battery can't power a 3.6 volt white LED, an inductor is used to charge the LED using a current mode DC to DC architecture. Technically, the controller IC YX8018 is not a battery charger. It uses a simple internal diode for charging. The two main jobs for this IC is 1. To detect darkness, 2. To pump up the 1.2 volt to power the LED when darkness has been detected. For the darkness detector, we need to take a closer look at the solar panel. In the sun, it's both a voltage and current source. In the dark, it's acting as a high-resistance resistor, so the controller only needs to check for the voltage level on this pin connected to the negative terminal of the solar panel. A high level means it's currently in the dark, and it will switch on the oscillator to charge and pump the LED light. A low level means the solar panel is receiving power from the sun, and so it turns off the oscillator circuit and the LED is off. A typical boost converter would have a feedback loop in order not to overshoot the output voltage. Here the output voltage is not regulated. Every tiny voltage pump is consumed by the LED directly. That is all. This product is highly engineered to make it as cheap as possible while maintaining superior results. As mentioned in the beginning, solar is forever, but the battery has a limited lifespan. A typical nickel metal hydride battery has 500 to 1,000 cycles. In other words, this little lawn light should give you up to 3 years of solar light. While the battery can be replaced easily, the battery itself could cost more than the whole unit. To make this last longer, a supercapacitor can be used, but currently a similar size supercap has less than 50 times the energy capacity, so not a feasible option.